get ready with me to go to dinner. It's super cold here in New Hampshire. I want to match Mr. Big that is wearing brown, but also I want to wear my new bag. So for warmth, you're not gonna see it. This vintage piece. Here. Trust the process. I'm taking this from Mr. Big because I don't have another belt. I don't even know. Oh, this is the belt that I have, and this, I don't know. Honey, can I poke a hole in one of your belts? I'm literally crying. I'm allergic to the cold. This is better. Okay, we got the belt. Belt on. And my latest arrival. We gotta go. Bye.